Hey guys, welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna shoot a quick video. We're probably just gonna kind of go over the brake lines a little bit, what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, and we may try to tack up some of these side pieces we kind of messed up when we pulled the body off the frame. Like I said, I don't got long out here tonight, and I'm busy doing something all day today, and just ran out of time. But let's go here and look at the rat rod right quick, and I'll kind of show you what I think I'm gonna do now. All right, I forgot we had this like the battery box that sits down in here, and it's pretty tight, so I don't think we can run the brake lines on the inner frame rail. So I was talking to my dad, I think it's yesterday. He came up, and I think I'm gonna put them under the frame rail itself. Less bending, and it'll be out of the way for this box here. And we can drop that one underneath, kind of bend a little bit for these proportioning valves to fit underneath there. And that way we can have it go all the way to here, have a T right there that we're going to mount on the frame, come up, a couple loops, master cylinder, and then it'll go this way. And I'm probably going to take it all the way to here, put another T to go out to these, which I'm thinking I'm going to mount these right in here, right below where the radiator sits, and put a bolt on them. We turn the tires, and everything seems like it'll clear. Like the tires will hit those arms before the line pulls out. But that's what I'm thinking about doing, is run them under the frame. I know it was the main thing I'd be concerned with is hitting something and pinching one of the lines or breaking it. But if that happens, those would have to hit first, and those trailing arms would have to go all the way down unless I hit something and it runs up underneath it. But that's my thoughts on that. Let me know y'all's opinion on what we should do there. But I think tonight I'm going to work on one of these. Probably this one. Get those off there. You can kind of see we buggered up pretty good, taking it off the body. Want to hammer that back out, straighten it out, and re-tack it. Maybe finish tack welding it. These aren't made to step on by any means. They're just for looks. So, but yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a little while now. Make that look better. But, a little bit of metal stuff to do. So, let me put you up over here, and we'll start bending this, and hopefully, kind of tacking it up a little bit and seeing how good we can get it. All right. Mangled it pretty good. Get some pliers and try to bend this back before I cut my hand open. Ooh. What was that? Probably gonna lose another weld. Let me bring that little piece of railroad iron, kind of flatten that out and see what that does. There we go. Okay, not the greatest. It's straighter. It's a little bit straighter. I think we can go ahead and pop some welds in there, see how it looks. Okay. It's straight-ish. Should know how to weld. And try to get this through here without sticking it to that. If I can do it. Let me do a little bit of grinding. We can kind of see if this is going to work or not. I like these, but it's not a crucial part of the truck. But I do like the look of them, so we'll grind this down a little bit and see what happens. I don't know if you saw the grinding I did, but we knocked most of those down as good as I can get them. Use that flapper disc to kind of smooth them over. I'm happy with that. I mean, as long as there's not like a seam like that, then I'm good. So we'll probably continue that later. I might do that off camera. But I was just kind of wanting to give you an idea of what I'm going to be doing to these. This other one is same way, you can see, but it needs welded up. It's just tacked in place. Need some light under here, so I do that to that one as well. Sorry about the kind of rushed and short video today. Like I said, let me know your thoughts on brake lines. It seems easier for me to do them that way and quicker. And then yeah, basically I showed you what I was going to do with these. Try to make them look better. That one I really messed up when I took it off the frame or trailer. Anyways, we'll weld those up and see what they look like. But if you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. It does mean a lot. I think we're 9 away from 1,000. At 1,000, we'll do a giveaway. I'm talking with Super Clean. I think they'll send you some Super Clean product, and I'm going to send a hat and stickers again. That's all I got right now. Hopefully I might do shirts in the future, I'm not sure. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.